Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write a successful Substack. So first you need to go and then create an account right here. Now basically you need to define your niche and reader promise. So choose a clear topic focus. And then after that, you can plan your content strategy, mix free and paid post if monetizing later. So you can promote for free, audience growth, and paid premium insight, extras, and community access. Now you can write posts that hook and hold. So first, you need to create and look for a topic that can catch your reader's attention. For example, this one. And then after that, you can now create first an opening hook. For example, I was standing in the kitchen at 2 a.m., staring at a half-written email draft. Here you can create a middle hold. So that would be opening, middle, and you can create unexpected lessons. And below here, you can also create close or takeaway. So basically, you just have to follow a outline like this, but actually everything is up to you. Now, once you have added your post, you can now use platform features to engage or to make your reader or clients go back to your post. You can add here link, videos, you can add here pictures and so on. So basically, if you want to add a button like subscribe or leave a comment to engage or to have or to build a strong community, you can add it right here. So basically, if they go and then read this one and they see this subscribe or leave a comment, and that's how you build a good community. Now you can monetize when ready. So connect Stripe and offer monthly plus annual subscriptions. You can set your payment method, go to settings. So you can click this one right here and then set up your payment method. You can also add your domain, but actually this one is optional. Now you can track, test, and improve. And then after that, you can publish your post. So basically, that's how easy it is to write a successful Substack. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.